Hey animal lovers, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own DIY blackcurrant apple and mango tea. Sorry, it just took me a little bit to get used to it. So all you will need is, hold on. Okay, so I have written down on this. I don't know when this video will be put up because I'm pre-recording. Today is the 17th when I'm recording it, and I don't know when it's going to be up. So what you will need is 1 Starbucks cup. Check. 1 Starbucks straw. Check. Water. Check. Inside. Apple and blackcurrant dilute. Don't know if I spelled dilute right. Got it inside. Check. Apple and mango juice. Check. And tea. Check. Oh, and this one is optional. And the optional thing in this is some ice cubes. You don't have to use them. I think I used them. So I will get my resources and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I am back. I will open up my Starbucks cup. I'm sorry, it's just really good. So you're going to take your tea. You can use any tea. I just have plain normal tea thing. Shucks, hold on. I'm going to get a bowl because I know that I'm going to spill something. Alright, I'm back with my Starbucks cup. Okay. Well done. Yeah, okay. So that is my tea. Some tea was spilled. Puns. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get better lighting. There we go. So that's the tea gone into the cup. So now you're going to add some apple and mango. This one's from Tesco. Not sponsored! Harry, what are you doing? Okay, so I'm going to add a bit of this. That looks pretty good, And then I'm going to add a bit of our blackcurrant and apple in this bowl. Where are you? Harry, are you all right there? Do you have issues? Actually, I'm going to add the ice before I add the apple and blackcurrant juice. I don't know why. Jesus. What have you done? Didn't think this through. Oh wait, I think we got one. Yay, we got one. Okay. We've got another one. This one I'll let you guys know. These are really cold. Another one I'll add 4 or 5. Depends on what mood I'm in. This is very messy. Quite the messy project. So I'm going to these 2 ice cubes that fell back into the ice cube container. Don't want to waste any ice cubes, kids. Harry! Harry, say hi to the animal lovers. He's kind of wet. He's been outside. Okay. Go back into the kitchen. Goodbye. Okay. So now your last step, you're going to add your apple and blackcurrant juice. Hold on. I might want to add a bit more. You can add as much as you want. Harry, what is your problem? Hold on, I'm going to pour a bit of this out. And then I'm going to add some more apple and blackcurrant. You just stay there, okay? Oh no. Come on. Okay. We're back. Back at it again. Harry, you alright there? Don't think he's alright there. Okay. There's my ice cubes. So this will turn out to whatever colour, depends on how much of the apple and mango and the apple and blackcurrant that you use. But your main ingredient in this is the tea. I think my mum is gone. She said to me earlier that she's going to try and get me some green tea. I think we need a bit more tea. Hold on. No! Stupid ice cubes! When ice cubes ruin your life? Seriously, come on. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more tea. Ooh, yes. The tea kind of looks like pee. Not gonna lie. I think that the main flavor in here is actually like mango. So you're gonna want a lot of mango. Okay. I'm gonna add a few more ice cubes because there's only 2 now. Thanks to you stupid sink. It wasn't the sink's fault, it was the ice's fault. When ice ruins your day. Okay, I got you right where I want you. Oh yes, 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 yes. Whoopee! Okay, that's good. Where the hell did... There it is. Okay, so it has my fake name in it. If you guys don't know already, my fake name is Sydney. I use the name Sydney when I go to Starbucks. Whenever they ask me, oh, excuse me, what's your name? Yeah. I say, oh, Sydney. Okay. So this is the finished product. It's amazing. If you guys remake this at home, then make sure to send me a picture on Instagram. You can search me up on Instagram. There we go. My Instagram. Just search that up. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's everybody's favorite time. This segment time. Okay, question of the day. So today's question of the day is, where are you from? Make sure to comment down below. So, I will show you some close-up shots of your mango, apple, and blackcurrant tea from Starbucks. So you make it at home. This is like it. This is what it should look like. It still tastes a bit too much fruit, but I'm not going to let the ice ruin my day again. I'll try and put a bit more tea. Just going to do a little bit of that. No, need more. Yeah, okay. And now I'm going to add a bit more tea. Jesus, where's my tea? I need to get more tea. I need to fruit. Some tea was spilled. Some tea has been spilled in this video. This is a very messy project. I'll be back when I have my tea. Tea, where are you? Tea, where are you? Tea, hurry up. Tea, hurry up. I'm back and I have my tea. So, going to little bit of money, so but I could pay some better. Tea is very hot. A bit warm for my liking. Gonna add a small bit of apple and mango. Hurry! Don't ruin my day. Okay. We've got this. Okay. That's nice. Okay, I think it is done now. Like that. Good. Pretty good. So you can add this on Instagram. What am I doing? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I will give you I'll give you 4 seconds to do that. So, wait. Hold on, Mom. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Yeah. So if you guys can do that, comment down below SNS Squad, and I'll be replying to you guys. Comment down below any video suggestions, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.